I don't believe you.
They got a diva.
Everyone heal up.
Let's go up top. Unfair.
First half, third one. Fuck my ass.
I could hear you if you come down.
An ominous
Let's go down 76 up top. Let's go down Diva.
This will heal you.
Let's go down Moira.
Get over here, healer.
Go down Farah.
Restoring you. This will restore you.
Alright, fuck this shit.
Regenerating the cellular structure.
Regroup.
Don't worry, my friend. I am your shield.
Let's go down 76 to the right. Hanzo, please. Heals up fair.
Surrender to my will.
That's 3, go, 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 go.
Let's go down.
Just scored on fucking baby fucking Taco Bell, dude. Shit, shut the fuck up.
Diva, Diva, Diva.
Repairing the damage.
Heals on Ryan. Me heals.
They're all trying to come in. Get the mercy, get the mercy, get the mercy, get the mercy. Get the mercy first, get the mercy first, get the mercy first.
She's down.
Let's go down Ryan. I need heals. Need heals. Look.
Okay, we got it.
Hanzo, you don't see where they're shooting from, Hanzo?
There's an Anna behind us. It's near.
Hurry!
Come on, Hanzo. Killing me.
I shall seize the payload
There's a flaw in
safely
my
to its
approach.
destination.
Dude, what's your Discord? Wait, just after this game. I think it'd be easier to communicate that way.
Touch from
Huh?
afar.
Oh no, I'm not talking to you, faggot.
Discord and Diva.
Heals, 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 heals. Heal me, cunt, gay cunts.
Let's go down fair on top.
Soldier high ground. Fuck my ass. Soldier high ground, soldier high ground.
Let's go down soldier.
Regroup.
Get into position.
Why is this Anna like in the background all the time? She's so around.
Just group up, just group up, just group up. Come back, come back, come back.
Watch out for flanking Anna for some reason.
It's ready.
You have my thanks.
Heals on Farah. Let's go down Diva. Heals on 76.
Repairing the damage.
76 is half.
He was actually in trouble.
Allow me to repair the damage.
Mercy's 1.
Your power.
They're low on top.
Mercy's gonna rest. Mercy's 1. Alright, that's huge.
Heals on Ryan.
Win the fight, we can win the fight. Go, 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 go.
Let's go down.
Oh no, your Ryan's way too far.
To my will.
I shall seize the payload safely to its destination.
Get
They're
into
all high
position.
ground. All of them. I think Ryan's gonna shatter.
He shattered recently. He doesn't have
He's
it yet.
Discord. He's Discord.
This will improve your condition. Allow me to repair the damage.
I have taken the payload.
That's much better. Rains from above. The power of destruction.
Maybe we should regroup.
Yeah, regroup.
Why are we stopped? Get the lead out and move this payload.
Take high ground. Let's take high ground. Because we're getting on from the high ground. Come on, everybody.
What a bitch, I was trying to fight the Pharaoh lane. What a faggot.
Everyone heal up.
Where are you at?
Their Pharaoh is down.
Alright. We're winning high ground. Let's just kill it. Let's jump down now. Once we kill everyone. I can't heal you. You're fucked.
Just keep pushing pillow, just keep pushing pillow.
Nice job, No Mercy.
30 seconds remaining.
I don't tolerate defeat. Get
Fell up top. Fell up top. Please help.
This will heal you.
If you can't kill the Pharaoh, try the Moira.
10 seconds remaining. Surrender to my will. Overtime.
Oh my god.
It was it. That was close.
Yeah, it will.
Score 1-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defense. 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
We have a diva.
Touch from afar. Wisdom Cola.
Diva, what was that, Diva? You wanna die? God damn it. We gotta back up, we gotta back up. Oh fuck.
Your strength ends. This is my will.
If you back up here.
When faced with a setback, we must challenge our assumptions. Get into position. This is stop the payload. Allow me.
Oh, I kept you alive through the res.
Nice.
The power of
Oh, I almost have. Alright, just do what they control high ground.
Okay.
Critical, get me. Behind, I can't hear.
Enemies re-engaged.
I got up.
restoring you. This will heal you. Heroes never die. This will restore you.
Right, see what I got heals on you? There's a 76 on top. Someone deal with him. Hanzo, get on the high ground, Hanzo.
I'm restored.
And it's flanking again.
Right there, like I ran into the Diva shield to like live, and it didn't block
We
shit.
must all make sacrifices in the
Is
name
doing
of
really
science.
well. Look at her in the kill feed.
See through the dragon's eyes.
Our Hanzo sketch.
Is here.
Time to the ledge. Touch from afar.
Got a touch.
Defeat.
Play of the game.